Man sa pagyayabang, pero sa Pam Jumeirah lang kami nagbe-breakfast. Oh.
So yun guys, and welcome to today's vlog. And since hindi makaride si Louie on Saturday, niyaya niya si Kuya Bors, and niyaya ko ni Kuya Bors sumama sa Pam Jumeirah kung saan siya nagwo-work and mag-breakfast. And maraming salamat kay Louie at kay Kuya Bors. Ang saya-saya ng ride na to. First time ko sa Pam Jumeirah mag-bike. It's been one of my dreams and nakala ko hindi ko makakayanan. Pero thanks sa kanila, thank God. Ito, on the way kami. So, ito yung itsura ng ride namin around 5 o'clock. So, ayun. Pam Jumeirah na rin. This is it.
Euro!
After getting really weak legs last year, this is something I never thought I'd be able to achieve. Pam Jumeirah. Who would have thought makakayanan ko ito. Thanks din sa kanila. Thank you din kay God. Ang ganda ng lugar. Parang nasa ibang bansa na. Pati yung mga tao, yung lifestyle, it's very different.
Oo. Hi, good morning. TikTok lang tayo. Louie in the house. Wala na naman.
One of the nicest things about biking is I get to feel like a tourist and look at these lovely places for free. Yun yung masarap.
Parang nasa ibang planeta na.
Dinala rin nila ako dito sa West Beach. Ang ganda ng lugar. Speechless. Just so amazing.
Jumeirah, West Beach. Here we go. Dinala kami si Louie dito, at saka ni Kuya Bors dito. Pwede na mag-prenup. Asawa na lang kulang.
Sorry, grabe.
Ang ganda mag-prenup dito. Oh, asawa na lang kulang. So, comment down below sa mga ano. Pwede rin mag-prenup dito. Kaso, kulang na naman tayo ng partner. Partner na lang kulang. Comment down below sa mga below ano ba? Below 40. Below 40, mga 40 pwede pa. Sabi guys, nasa Pam Jumeirah kami. Ito. Ganda.
So after namin dito, pumunta kaming Cafe Nero, and maraming salamat kay Louie. Shoutout kay Louie sa napakasarap na foods. Sarap.
Man sa pagyayabang, pero sa Pam Jumeirah lang kami nagbe-breakfast. Oo.
Medyo napaganda yung oras eh.
Grabe. Pam Jumeirah lang tayo nagbe-breakfast. Cafe Nero.
Cafe Nero.
Yan lang mga breakfast namin. Ay, shoutout pala sa sponsor pala namin.
Meron na kaming voucher eh.
May voucher. Salamat kay Sir Louie, ang ating sponsor for the day.
Sponsor for the day.
Sponsor.
Grabe siya.
Grabe, sponsor of the day.
Sponsored by
Kuya Bors na ito.
Thank you, brother.
Tatlong butter croissant to. Magkakabot kayo dito.
So first time ko sa Cafe Nero, and the coffee beans were just amazing. And of course yung croissant nila, fluffy, pero iba talaga yung texture niya. As in, very buttery, very rich, pero not very overpowering na ma-annoy ka sa butter. No, it was just perfect. Loved it. I'm so thankful kasi this is something I thought I could never do, and thank God talaga sa mga experiences na ganito, placing the right people, the right places, the right timings, and I can't be more thankful for this day. Anyway guys, keep safe and God bless. Salamat sa pagpanood. Salamat pala kay Louie at saka kay Kuya Bors. I had a blast on this day. Till next time, keep safe. God bless.